Hi Kiko. Hi Saya. I wanted to try another story. I didn't really like the polar bear one as much. It was too long. This is called That Bad, Bad Cat. I'll start. That bad, bad cat. Once there was a cat. The cat scratched the table. The cat scratched the chair. Look at the table. Look what he did to the chair. Bad, bad cat, his family said. See, they scolded him. They told him he was bad. He tore up the pillows. He tore up the bed. Look at the bed. Bad, bad cat, his family said. He ate the plants. He pulled up the flowers. He ate the plants too and dug up the flowers. Bad, bad cat, his family said. He spilled milk. He stole food. What's that he's got in his mouth? Look at the milk spilled. Bad, bad cat, his family said. See him hiding under the table? He knows he's bad. One day, the cat ran outside. Do not go far, his family said. But he did. Look, there he goes. He was not back for lunch. That bad, bad cat, his family said. He was not back for dinner. Now his family began to worry. Kitty, darling, sweetie, honey, they called. Please come back. See, they're waiting. There's his food and his string. No kitty. See, they're looking for him. Flashlights all around. They looked all over for him. Then everybody asked, have you seen our cat? They're looking all over. In the tree, garbage can, and all their friends. Without him, the house was not the same. I miss him. I miss him, the kids said. We miss him. Every day they left out treats. And they left the window open just in case. There's the window open with the treats and the food. See, they're sad. There's the picture crying on the pillow. And he did come back. They hugged him. They kissed him. You are a good cat. Don't ever run away again. He loved them, no matter what they said. And they loved him. See, he came back through the window. See, they all love the kitty. No matter what he did, that good, bad cat. The end. Look, now he's going after the fish in the aquarium. Love you guys. I hope you liked the video. I have another one I'll do next time.